how to buy Cheese AI token. So this token came under the symbol of cheese. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinBrain. To be able to buy this token, it is easy and simple. Just copy the token address here. As you can see, this token address is under the BNB Smart Chain. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. I will just go back to my wallet here, as you can see. So after that, select the BNB chain as a network from here and click on this plus icon. Paste the token address here. As you can see, this is also going to click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now, after you add it to your wallet, go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called Cheese. As you can see, click on it. Now here, click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now, as you can see here, we'll be able to see how much you receive. Now, before that, type how much you want to buy. Now after that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Cheese token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.